As a local business, we put our main core focus on giving our clients the individual attention to detail that meets all of their unique needs. This has really helped us to build a big portfolio of happy customers willing to share great reviews like this.
Are you from Reno, NV? Do you search for a plumber in Reno? Search no more. We are the best plumber service in Reno. www.renoplumber.com. Check out this real testimonial. This was a tough job and the crew did a fantastic job installing our new water heater. The Reno plumbing crew provides professional plumbing services, from a drippy faucet to a trenchless sewer replacement.
We look forward to working with you. Call us or click the link below.